So last week I ran into a problem. I was doing the data analysis for my sediment pore water samples, and from what I saw, from what I was calculating, the concentration on the samples was several orders higher than what I was the normal levels that I was anticipating. So, one of the quick things that I wanted to look at was to check my signal from the samples versus and sort of check it against the standard reference standard that I was running and see if everything was okay at the integration level. And in order to do that, I went to the lab to get the qualitative software, and since I was doing all the analysis on my home PC, I wanted to get that software installed on my home PC. I have been working with this sediment for some time now, and I remembered that I had done a bulk sediment analysis of the sediment last year, but I had run it on a different GC, and I wanted to look back at that data and see if the results were consistent Here you are seeing how I am sort of overlaying the signals from my sample and the standard that I had run for both the samples that I ran this time and the samples that I ran the last year. And usually I integrate and assimilate all my results on a PowerPoint presentation before I send it to my advisor. So I was just trying to look at all the data and see if everything looked consistent, and everything did look consistent, thankfully. So I think what happened was, since we mixed several sediments from different PCB contaminated sites, this particular batch of sediment where I was performing my experiments had a relatively higher concentration than what is found in the environment, the environmental levels per se. In my last vlog, I was telling you how I was enjoying the process of writing a lot. Now that I'm writing several manuscripts, reports, and my thesis partly, I'm spending a lot of time writing, and I'm enjoying the process a lot. And that got me into thinking that maybe I would like to pursue scientific writing in the future after my PhD. It's still a thought and it's still in the works. I'm still thinking about whether I want to give up research and just do scientific writing or not. But it's a thought nevertheless, and I wanted to discuss it with my advisor because he is the only person who would be able to guide me in the right direction. So this one day I've been looking at several options, talking to several people, reading several articles, and I did some homework, did some research, and I put everything together and took a printout of those before sort of as a preparation before I talk to my advisor about it. And the meeting went really well. He supported the idea, and he did not discourage me. Of course, there are several things to think about, and several steps to take before I actually go into this field. It's a commitment that I will make, and I just want to be sure that I want to
That
do it.
evening
We went apartment hunting, and I had a gala time because one of the apartments that we were looking at, they took us to the apartment in the golf cart, and it was raining. It was a lot of fun. used all of these glass apparatus. So my side of the lab cleaning ends with this. Yeah, I did not have the time to do this before, so